Hey guys, what's up? In the short tutorial video, we're going to be talking about changing your username on Google Meet really quickly. So drop a like and now let us get started. So here, as you can see, I'm on the home page of Google Meet and I'm logged into my Google account. So guys, unfortunately, there's no way how you can change your username directly here on Google Meet to use that username, for example, for meetings or video calls. And that's because the username you're using on Google Meet is closely related or tied to your name on Google or for your Google account. So that means the username you're using for your Google account you're currently logged in will automatically also be used for your or as your username on Google Meet and for all your meetings and video calls. So the only way to change that would be to simply head over to your account settings here in Google. Simply click on that profile icon in the top right corner, select manage your account from the drop-down menu. Make also sure that you're logged in with the Google account you'd like to change the name for. And here inside your account settings, head over to personal info on the left-hand side. And here where it says basic info, you'll be given the opportunity to change your name. And once that's done, that name will also be used for all of your video calls and meetings and Google Meet and in all basically Google related services and applications. So that's basically it, guys. That's how I do it. I hope you enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching and have a wonderful day.